How to create contact in GoHighLevel CRM from Gravity Form submission automatically. So in this video, we will be connecting Gravity Forms and HighLevel CRM with the help of an automation software in such a way that whenever the form is submitted here, using the form submission data, a contact will be created automatically in the HighLevel CRM. In this way, we do not have to manually export the data and import it here again and again. So if you also want to sync your form submission data with HighLevel CRM in real time, then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is the account of Gravity Forms and this is the dashboard of HighLevel, and in order to sync the form submission data with HighLevel, I'll have to integrate these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing and a very cost-effective integration and automation software. I am an existing user, so here you can notice I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from the sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now after login and reaching out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, firstly click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I will be providing the name as sync Gravity Form submission data with HighLevel CRM. Okay, I'm providing this particular name. Now simply click on create, and after that you will find two boxes. Okay, so these boxes are called as trigger and action. Okay, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever this happen in the first application, then automatically do this in the next application. Okay, so basically you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation in this trigger and the action window. Okay, understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application to your customer. Okay, now according to our use case, whenever any new form submission is received in this Gravity Form Builder application, then automatically send these form submission data in HighLevel CRM application. Okay, so again, for connecting the HighLevel with the CRM, I will use this lead connector version 2. You will have to select lead connector version 2 for connecting GoHighLevel CRM account with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I have selected both the application in this trigger and the action window. Okay, and now the idea here is I will be connecting both the applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us first connect the Gravity Form with the Pabbly Connect. So firstly I will select the trigger event, that is whenever any new response is received in Gravity Forms, this automation should trigger, or we can say the data of response should be captured via Pabbly Connect. Alright, you can notice as soon as I have selected the trigger event, a webhook URL and few set of instructions are provided here. Okay, so with the help of this webhook URL only, we are going to connect the Gravity Forms with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so simply copy this webhook URL, go back to your Gravity Form dashboard, and here you can notice I have created several forms. Okay, so I'm going to add this webhook URL in that form whose data I would like to collect in GoHighLevel CRM. Okay, so I have created this basic form. The name of the form is contact form, and firstly I will be searching for the webhook option here, and here I am into the settings section. So here firstly I will be searching for the webhooks option directly. Okay, so this is the webhook option, and here in the webhook option only I am going to add a new webhook URL. Okay, so how about I add the existing webhook URL so that I can show you everything from the scratch. Okay, so I have deleted both the existing URL. Now I am going to add a new webhook URL. Okay, so you just need to provide the name to your webhook, something like connection with Pabbly Connect. Okay, I'm providing this particular name, asking for the request URL. Okay, so here exactly you will have to paste the same webhook URL which you have received via Pabbly Connect. Alright, so the URL has been added and the request method will be posted, the request format will be JSON. Alright, so everything will be same. Click on the save settings button directly, and this is how the webhook URL will be added here successfully. Okay, that means the connection in Gravity Form and Pabbly Connect is successful. Okay, and here you can notice it is actually waiting for the webhook response, which means log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means a new response in our Gravity forms so that the details of that form submission data will be captured here. Okay, so I am going to open the same form. Basically I am going to preview the same form in which I have added the webhook URL and will make a dummy submission in front of you with some dummy details only. Okay, this is just a dummy detail. Demo is the name of the person, user is going to be the last name. Let me also add a dummy phone number, something like this. Okay, this is just a 10-digit basic number, a dummy number. Alright, demo@pabblytudes.com is going to be my email address. Clicking on submit, and as soon as the submission is made, I'm really expecting that the same form submission data should be received via Pabbly Connect. Alright, waiting for the response, and here you can notice the response is received. Okay, now let me show you the details one by one. Here you can notice we have the same email address, the same phone number, we have the user agent. Okay, let me show you other details also. Okay, so where is the first name and the last name of the person? Alright, so here we have the first name, the last name, we even have the date created. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Gravity Forms and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen? Every time any person will submit this form, the details of that form will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I am going to add these responses in GoHighLevel CRM, basically in a lead connector. Okay, so the application is already selected. Simply select the action event, that is create or update a contact, because I want to do the same, or you can also select create a contact also. Okay, so simply clicking on connect, and just like we have connected Gravity Forms and Pabbly Connect, now I am going to connect a lead connector, basically high level CRM with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so simply click on this add new connection and click on this connect with the lead connector version 2 button, and then you will have to provide the access of your lead connector account, basically GoHighLevel account. Okay, I have provided this access already. Okay, so I just need to select the account. So here I am selecting this sub account. Alright, so here you will notice the authorization will be successful and my GoHighLevel account will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now here you can notice it is asking me the basic details which are actually required for creating a contact in high level CRM or in any CRM. Okay, so I am going to provide the data only into the required field or into the important fields like the first name, last name, email, or maybe a phone number. Okay, and from where I'm going to provide this data? Remember, we have just captured the data from our first step response, from our previous step response. Okay, so let me show you the response details. Okay, and the interesting thing is I don't need to manually copy this data and paste below. I am going to map this data. Okay, and mapping is very simple. When you will click on this field, you will find the above data here in the drop down. Okay, search for the first name, which was demo. Alright, so I am mapping here, and in the same way I am going to map other details also. Now you must be thinking, what is this mapping? Okay, so whatever the details I am mapping here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time in next line. Okay, yes, with every new form submission data, this existing data will be replaced automatically. Okay, and in this way you can provide the full name also. Just need to add the first name and last name with a space. Okay, let me also map the email address. Alright, so I have mapped it. Lastly, I am going to add the phone number because I have collected only 4 basic details via my Gravity form, so that is why I am going to add these details only. Now it is again up to you what data you would like to update here. You can collect that information from your Gravity form builder and add the details here. My purpose was just to show you how you can create create this automation. So I have done with some basic details. Alright, so I am going to directly clicking on this button in front of you, and I will wait for this contact to be created automatically in GoHighLevel CRM. Alright, so waiting for the response, and here you can notice the response is received. Let me go back to my GoHighLevel CRM dashboard. Okay, so this is the dashboard and this is the contact section, and remember we have added demo user as a contact. Let me refresh it. And here you can notice the same person has been created as a contact in our GoHighLevel CRM. The same name we have the same phone number, we have the same email address also. Okay, and if I will click on this particular contact, you will be able to see all other details also. Currently I have added only the basic details. Okay, so I have the basic data only. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Pabbly Connect and GoHighLevel CRM is also working fine, which means our automation is also working absolutely fine. Okay, so in order to automate this process, you will have to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect for once. After that, you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, just in case if you want to access this two-step automation inside your own Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach this link into my description box. Simply click on this link and then sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this two-step automation inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.